So, what is a pre-installation elevator site inspection report? This report is mainly used by team leaders and supervisors to check the site before you start the installation at site. So, shall be talking about this today. Hi, welcome to Global Elevator Academy. And this video is going to be very interesting. Please be with us and keep watching. So the first thing is that how you check site before elevator installation. So you have to find out like what you are doing presently. You must be asking your team to check the site so that when you send the installation team to site, they should not waste time. So let's see what happens. So either once you check the site, you find that either site is ready to start installation or it is not ready. In both the cases, you need to check the site thoroughly. The main concern is that whether your team, you checks all the points which are required to be completed before start of the installation or not. This is a big challenge for the elevator companies. Sometimes the team misses some point to check, and then it creates a lot of problem in the end and during the time when the installation starts. You are basically, dependent on the level of knowledge level of the person who checks the site.